You guys want some pancakes? Come on, come get you a pancake.
Fresh off the griddle, okay? Let the people know. How does it taste? Woo! It's a beautiful morning. All right, guys, good morning. It's my last day here in Charlotte, North Carolina. Wow, what a great week. I know I didn't film a lot for the video, but I kind of was still getting stuff together and like figuring out my truck and just everything. Yesterday was like the first day that I actually went out and explored Charlotte, North Carolina, which ended super bad. Unfortunately, what happened was I crashed my drone and it completely broke. Yo, so someone has my drone and they're looking at it right now. I'm trying to see if I can find it. Okay, it's on some stairs. I think that's over there, I don't know. Guys, oh, I'm so fucked. He's at some building. I don't know, I'm in Charlotte, I've never been here before. This is where I've been staying out for the last like week, on this side road where these townhomes are. I just want to show you guys. But yeah, guys, so this is my last day in Charlotte. I'm headed down to Charleston, South Carolina. But we're gonna pack up and then we're gonna head to Walmart because I'm gonna cook breakfast for you guys on the Blackstone. But we're gonna do that, let's go. All right, guys, let's go check out. Oh yeah, we're cooking out in the parking lot today. You too. All right, guys, we got the Blackstone warmed up. It's heating up right now. We're cooking out of Walmart, baby. Let's go. I don't know why that bacon is so long. All right, guys, this bacon is done. I need to hurry up and get it off. Woo. Look how crispy that bacon is. What's up? Cooking breakfast in the Walmart parking lot. You already know, baby.
That's cold shit, brother.
On the Blackstone.
What you doing, traveling?
Yeah,
Where you traveling from, man?
I'm traveling from Nashville, Tennessee.
Where you going?
I'm going around all the way to California, up. We're doing it, baby.
Good shit, brother. Be careful,
yes, sir.
man.
You have a great day. Oh my. Let's try this bacon. So crispy.
You guys want some pancakes?
I told you.
Come on, come get you a pancake.
Here, try this one. This is fresh off the griddle, okay? Fresh off the griddle. Try that.
This looks hot.
We're in the Walmart parking lot cooking up breakfast. Let the people know. How does it taste?
It's pretty good. Okay.
It tastes pretty good.
Yeah.
Let him try it. Come on. Bro, smacking on the bro, that's pretty fire, isn't it? Yes, sir. All right, guys, nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Saucy said, check out the video. All right, guys. Breakfast is served. All right, guys, I'm done with breakfast. I'm full. Oh, that was good. I might go get a drink or something, but who knows. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you want more content like this, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more. Thank you so much. Stay saucy.